In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default web browser on Windows 11. This is pretty simple and easy. With the recent introduction of Windows 11, Microsoft had made it quite difficult when it comes to changing your default web browser. I think they want us to use more of Microsoft Edge. To change your default web browser, all you need to do is first locate your search on the taskbar, then type settings and proceed to pick the one with this best match. Among the list of menus on your left, proceed to select apps. Then under the app, proceed to locate default apps. You have to then navigate to set default for applications, and in the search bar, proceed to type the browser that you want to change to. In my case, Chrome. Then I'll proceed to select the one with this best match. As you can see, this is the list of all the web browsers that I have to change one by one in order to get Chrome as my default web. So to do it, all you need to do is to locate the one that you want to choose. In this case, if you want to choose the HTML, proceed to select here, then proceed to select Google Chrome and hit set default. So anytime you are opening a browser with .html, the Google Chrome will be able to open it by default. And you can proceed to select one by one and apply it. It's actually quite a daunting task, but since you want to get your web browser by default changed to Google Chrome, you have to be patient and do this manually. So now you have successfully changed your default web browser on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.